Hello everyone, I am Aman Mithil. I have qualified in Civil Services Examination 2015 with rank 231. I dedicate this achievement to my mother and my wife. Nirvana Academy played a very important role in achieving this. It was like a catalyst for my preparation. The best part about Nirvana is the way we approach towards this preparation. It is not about only rote or mugging up the factual things that are there, but also having a deep understanding of all the different aspects of a topic. This not only makes you understand the topic, but while we are giving the exam, whether it is prelims or mains, we are able to approach it from multiple dimensions. Similarly, when we go into the interviews, this helps you there also. Karam sir kind of takes you through the journey and walks alongside you throughout. Another important part about Nirvana is that once we qualified mains, we had regular classes every week at Nirvana. This made us understand whichever topics were in the news from multiple perspectives, because Karam sir gave us an holistic view, and the discussion that we had in class gave us multiple points for our answers. This makes the preparation both easy and complete. One more thing that I would like to tell all the aspirants is that while we go for any kind of preparation, we must understand that we don't need to know everything, but whatever we know, we should know it properly. So this is the strategy that we took at Nirvana, that we did smart study while covering as much syllabus as possible. This made it easier for us to cover what I would say not the whole syllabus, but the maximum score achievable was possible for us. And this is why while we gave the general studies examination or the optional examination, the approach we had was far easier and far more understandable to us. During the interview preparation also, I found Nirvana very good, because we had walked through our preparation with Karam sir. So he knew our weak points, he knew where to grill us, and while we were giving the interviews, those points were focused a lot. Most of the times we can go through an interview very easily if it is a smooth interview like I had in my first one, but when you are grilled, that is the time when we have to actually bring out the best of us. And this is what Karam sir brought out in me, that if there were any weak points in me for the interview preparation, those were all plugged out and I was able to work on them. Lastly, I would like to wish all the aspirants very best of luck, and give your best when you join Nirvana. Make sure that you follow what Karam sir tells you, because he knows what he is telling you, and if something goes wrong in the preparation, it is we who digress and not the person who was telling us. We must give our 100% commitment towards the preparation and to the teacher who is guiding us. Thank you so much.